November is a time when we grab our favorite warm drink, our favorite fall-inspired books, and a cozy blanket, getting ready to read. It's also a time that honors and respects the art of novel writing. In the past, there's been a challenge called NaNoWriMo, National Novel Writing Month. Unfortunately, that is no more. In its place, I would like to give you an option. Welcome in Novelmber. Now, this is going to be a little different than what NaNoWriMo has been in the past, because I do not seek the difficulty and quickness of writing a 50,000 word novel in 30 days, in 1 month. Mainly because with this challenge, I want to challenge you and myself to handwrite a novella or a short story every day of November. That's right. You're going to have to get out your trusty pen or pencil, your composition book, or any other notepad that you might have, and write by hand every day of November. What I hope this does is it gives you the discipline of creating a habit of creativity in your writing. It gives you a sense of pride in doing harder work in writing your novel, and it also sparks your creativity, because a novella is a little bit easier to grasp and handle when it comes to writing in a month and or short stories. I'm going to have a Substack post pinned in the comments. You can follow the short story prompts as well as ideas for novellas to write in this month. If you participate and you post a video every day of you writing, please use the hashtag Novelmber and tag me at Bookish Dialogues with Tabitha, because I want to see your progress. I want to read your stories, and it'll help me kind of figure out what to do at the end of November so that we can really share each other's stories, whether that's going to be a live here on my channel or something else. If you have an idea, let me know. I've just not been able to figure out what would be the best thing to do. And I want to just give you a heads up about it before November comes at the end of next week, so that you can kind of start getting an idea of what you want to write about. So leave a comment. Let me know if you are going to join in on this challenge. Again, as always, do the channel a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay cozy, get inspired. No, get cozy, stay inspired, stick around. We'll read again soon. Bye.